Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can make this really easy loop pattern that you can add to your macrame artwork. Let's get started. To begin, I've just gone ahead and attached 3 ropes to a dowel rod with a lark's head knot. I'm going to take the 2 cords here in the middle and cross it over the side on the left to form a loop. I'm going to wrap them around the left side to go over and through the loop. And then I just gently pull that to tighten it. Now I'm going to take those same 2 cords, and this time I'm going to wrap them around the 2 cords on the right. So cross it over the right, twist them around, and send them back over itself, and then just pull it tight to adjust. And that's all there is to this, so we just repeat. As you form this knot, just make sure you keep your ropes evenly stacked on top of each other. Just like that. To end this little pattern, you can either leave your ropes hanging as is, or to give it a more secure finish, we could tie a little gathering knot to bundle them together, or we could even tie a square knot. So to tie a square knot, I'm going to take the section here, both ropes, and cross them over those 2 strings in the middle. Then I'm going to take the side here on the left to cross over those 2, send it behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And I can pull that nice and tight. Then I'm going to take the side here on the left to cross over the 2 ropes in the middle. The side on the right then goes over those left cords, behind the 2 in the middle, and up through the loop. And then once again, just gently pull that tight. And now this is secure and will keep your ropes in place. Now for a little variation, we can also tie this with just 2 ropes and 1 color. So let me show you what it will look like. I'm going to take the 2 cords in the middle, like I did before, and just wrap them around 1 cord on the left, using the same method we used before. Taking those same 2 cords, I just wrap them around the cord on the right. And we just repeat until we've reached the desired length. Again, you can end this the same way we ended it over here, using the square knot method, or you can just tie them together in a gathering knot, use double half hitch knots, any other stopper knot, or of course you can just leave the ropes as is as well, depending on what you want to use this pattern for. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.